everyone! I just got my order from MPG. MPG is a local brand here in Winnipeg, and I ordered this on Wednesday and it was delivered to the pharmacy on Friday. That was really very fast. I wasn't expecting it to be that fast. They said on the website that processing orders would take about 5 days at least, and that was fine with me, but I didn't realize I would get here so fast. So I am just gonna open it. I'm so excited because I've been working out every day. I am wanting to get like more workout clothes, so they have a lot of items on sale. I bought some for myself and some for Demetria as well. I've ordered 9 items from mpgsport.ca. So I ordered 3 items for Demetria. One is the Nobleman Slim Leg Pant, and it comes in black and he's a size medium. So I hope I got the right size for him. This one is the Leeway Still Blue Shorts in medium as well. I really love this color. This one is the Solar Top in black. As for myself, I got an Evade pull-on jogger pants in mint color. I saw this one. I'm so excited to wear it. It's something that you can wear even on casual days, even when you want to go out. You can wear it with sandals too. So if you want to have like a girls' night out, or if you want to have like brunch with your friends, you can totally wear that. This one is a Getaway high-waisted 7/8 legging in mint, and I think I got it in another color. They are both high-waisted, and this one is the color Blue Forest. So this is the Embrace Cuff Crop Jogger in burnt olive. There's the Smithy white top, and then there is the Kickoff Locks High Low Hem Tee in Heather Glacier in medium as well. Okay, so let's do a try on. So this is the first one that I'm trying. I'm wearing the Kickoff top. It is a Locks High Low Hem Tee. It has a very luxurious feel. It's so soft, and I know that it is moisture wicking. The medium fits really well. And for my pants, I'm wearing the Embrace, and it is cuff cropped jogger. So I love this one because it's cropped. Usually the sizes here are so tall for me that I usually go for the cropped ones, which works fine for me because that way it's also cheaper. So you can roll it up if you want. Okay, this is very nice. I love the material. I can actually see myself wearing this even when I'm not working out. So let's say if I'm just going for a casual walk, or just going to the mall, or doing some errands. So this is something that I would probably be wearing as well. Okay, so the next one that I'm trying on is the Smithy t-shirt in white. It has a very luxurious feel as well. It's so soft. This is probably the softest shirt that I will ever have. I love it. It feels so nice. And the white is just, it's a true white basically. And it's so soft. Okay. And the pants that I'm wearing, it's called the Getaway high-waisted 7/8 leggings. So it's high-waisted. Looks pretty good all in here, all tucked in. Size medium fits perfect. I love the reflective piping on here, and I love the color as well. I've never had this kind of color in my leggings before, so I'm very happy to get this one. So it's something that you can use for spring, summer. So pretty. The feel is buttery soft as well. So the next one that I'm trying on is the same kind of leggings, but this time it's in a different color. It's in the color of mint. So this is the one. I really love the color. It is such a unique color, and I don't have this in my wardrobe at all. It's so buttery soft, like really, really soft. It stretches well, but it gives you still like a good fit. So I hope this will hold even if you wash it for so many times. For a size reference, I'm a 6 or 8 at Lululemon. So the last item that I am reviewing is the Evade joggers in the color mink. So I love this one. It's something that you can use for a workout, or it's also something... Why are you looking at me?
This looks nice.
This looks nice.
This looks nice. The jogger. How much is that? That looks nice.
Yeah, I know. I got it all on sale. So, the last item that I am reviewing is the eBay joggers in mink. So it's very, very nice. It's something that you can use for workout. It's something that you can dress up as well. I am thinking that I could wear this to work too. It's so pretty. I love the color. It's such a neutral color. And the material is just so soft as well. So this one though, it is just a little bit loose, but that's fine. The length is just perfect for my height. For reference, I am 5 feet flat. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Even has like a drawstring in here, so it's so pretty.
I like it.
Okay, so I just finished trying on everything, and Demetrio tried all the 3 items that I got for him as well, and he loved it. He loved it, and I loved everything that I got. I'm so happy that I decided to try the MPG brand. It's my first time buying from it. I'm so happy that I actually tried them because I've been working out every day. I was really looking for workout clothes, and I got everything at such a good deal. So all those 9 items that I got, very high quality, luxurious feel, and so environment friendly because everything is made from recycled material. They all fit comfortably as well. So I got everything for $192, including taxes. I got it shipped for free. Everything is just amazing. My favorites would be this top that I'm wearing right now, the white top, and also the jogger pants. The last item that I tried, which is the mink one, because I can definitely see myself wearing that a lot. So it's gonna get a lot of uses from it. So I'm very, very happy, and this will not be the last time that I will be buying from them for sure. They had such great customer service. I just ordered Wednesday and I got it like in 2 days. I really enjoyed everything. So I'm looking forward to trying more of the items. And I'm so happy that everything fits so well because they're all like final sale because I got such a good deal on them. So thanks everyone for watching my first try on haul video. So happy to share that I do have a discount code for you to use, and they do have a lot of items on sale for Canada Day celebration. So they do have a lot of 70% off items. So that might be something that you want to check out. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!